Hi guys, so this is the auto suggestion. So I am going to implement this kind of feature like if I am searching for P, so if there is any name related to P, so it's also suggested when you click this, so it's fill in the box. So for this functionality, I just made a simple app with the using like CSS, HTML and JavaScript. So let's go in a code. So here this is the main box and this is the input and this is the like the where I show the list item. So this is the script part. So simply I just get the element by ID from this input box. So like whatever the data in the input box, so I'm just getting this value and add this value in the key up. So when any user on press any key and after many key up, so at that time the search function was called. So in this search engine like search function, so I'm just doing making some creating my array. So in this array I simply do some element and after that I just simply like getting the input from the input box and the value and converting it to the lowercase. So if someone like if I am entering any capital P, so the doesn't got effect like there is also we can show the output from like after that inserting the capital letter. So like this is gonna be affected so for this and here I'm just doing creating like sorting the array so that I can get the output in a sorted manner. And here I'm getting the I like div with this row div, so here so that I can append my all element in this div. So here I just creating like sort array and I am just filtering the all the data with the start of the input. So they start with doing thing whatever the character in the inside is starting of this particular word. So the find they start with function find all of the character or data with the starting of word. So here you also can use include, but include doesn't look like a good auto suggestion. So if you for this case if you enter O here, so the start like include also show some result, but we as we know there is no data starting of O. So for this I use start with function and here I'm simply just doing if my input total length is not equal, like if someone not typing anything in input box, so at that time no need to go inside this. If there is some element in my input box, so at that time I just simply go inside the if condition. Here I am creating the UL and before the appending anything or accessing anything I'm just simply this should whatever the element like in my UI. So if if I enter anything like after that A, so the before this showing this result, so before this entire UI like get empty, so that the like all over the data is not mismatch and like over match. So for this I am using this and after that I am simply using for loops. With the help of for loop I am iterating every element in my array and in this I am simply created one list item in this and in the list item I am just like showing the data of my whatever the data inside the array. If this both are like matching from this show data, so I am showing inside in the appending like in the list item and after that I am appending the list item in my UL and here after that like whatever the element in my previous div, so empty everything and after that just append the whatever the sorted data in the div. So here the CSS for this, so inside the CSS I'm simply made this kind of a structure. You can modify it according to yeah. So that's the like function for this. So if I'm searching my name, so I can get if there is any character. So if like I'm simply find this, so if I'm click on this, so I can get this. Okay, thank you and hope you enjoy it.